In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TradingView for paper trading. So the first thing you want to do is go to tradingview.com, which is their website, and then you want to firstly sign into your account, log in, or create one in case you don't have it yet. So top right over here is where you can do that over here. So after you've done this, after you've signed into your account, you want to go over here and hover over products and then click on super charts. Now, once you're under super chart over here, this is kind of the basic trading view kind of chart over here. You can then start paper trading the following way. So you want to click on trading panel down here at the very bottom right. And then you want to kind of make this bigger, so enlarge this by hovering it up. There we go. And then the first thing you can see is paper trading, and it says brokerage simulator by TradingView. Click on this and then click on connect. After you do this, your paper trading will be connected. So you can then just make this bigger again so you can see the charts. And then the second thing you can do is, of course, look at your balance down here and then your equity, etc. And over here, you can also select what you would like to trade. So you can search for any symbol for stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto, whatever you want to do. Of course, everything that is supported by TradingView is going to be in here as well. So you can then just select something and start trading it. And the way you trade it is by clicking trade down here. And over here on the right, it's going to open up a menu, as you can see, where you can then start buying and selling different crypto, different stocks, funds, whatever you want. So that's pretty much that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.